What's up, Kitty McDoodles? Okay, pitch tip. I got this one from Monica. So Monica, shout out to you. You asked me to talk about some tips for when you're pitching ideas. So here's a quick and dirty little pitch strategy. Remember that decision making is not fully logical in the frontal cortex. It's also emotional. In fact, many people will tell you, you will know when you buy the same white t-shirt, even though you got 10 white t-shirts at home, that so much of decision making and so much of purchasing is in the moment and emotional. But not all the time. Therefore, any good pitch strategy has to incorporate both a logical argument and an emotional one. So how do you do it? Like this. People will probably decide whether or not to keep listening after about 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So start off with a first-person anecdote and end with a number. So you could start off with a first-person anecdote about how you went to the store and you were trying to buy like a fitted t-shirt or a baggy t-shirt, but for some reason, it was either really tight on the shoulders and really big on the bottom, or vice versa. And then you thought to yourself, what if I could just have cheap, bespoke clothing? Which, if you think about it, imagine if every single person who bought a white t-shirt could get it bespoke for just a small upgrade. That is a market of blank. Something like that. You start off with a first-person experience identifying a problem, you relate it to the idea, and then you end with a solid number that shows like the potential market, for example. And if you do that, you will appeal both to the frontal cortex logic and to the hypothalamus emotion. And no more boring speeches. #end boring. You're welcome.